valve stem. Carefully tighten the nut until you feel.
Coming back together, Mama. Intake's in, distributor's in. All right, Mama, it's that time. Fresh oil change. We went ahead and put in 2 new lifters. That way it would be 2 new ones on that side. So we are ready to fire this baby back up and see if we have any click, click, click. There you go, Mama. No more tick, tick, tick. It's got those big roller rockers on it. They've got a little bit of a tick to them. But it's quiet. Those 2 lifters, probably have to pull that valve cover back off and check them. They may need a little bit of adjustment. Other than that, though, it sounds good. All right, Mama. The temp gauge actually works. Speedometer is still off a little bit. I changed the gear, but anyway, sure is smooth and quiet now though.